It's not gonna work. But look at all this space. Yes. Big, it's huge. Room for two. Yes. Yes. I'm jealous. Try not to be too jealous. But she's mine, oh mine. She has so much character. She's beautiful. And she's everything I've always wanted. I've never owned a van of my very own. And this is a travel-sized van. Don't mind the box underneath, that's just collecting the leaky transmission fluid or something. She's been through some stuff. There's little bumps. That'll buff right out with a sledgehammer. A little rough in some spots. A couple of miles on her. Couple, 195,000 couples. Some nope, whole lot of poop. Some other things. There she is from the inside. She's beautiful. You'll love her. Oh, the adventures we will have together. Can you only imagine? You won't have to only imagine because I'm going to document them. Comes on and off, doesn't work, has a short or something like that. So, I'll probably just get like a Bluetooth like thing for my phone. Like, do we need stereos in vehicles anymore? But anyways, we can't have it short circuiting and lower ball joint on the driver's side. Hopefully it goes well. I rented the tool to press in the new one. I have everything that I can think of that I'm going to need. Things have been moving along. So we've got the lug nuts released, which is great. We're gonna put a jack under, we're gonna lift it up. We're going to take the wheel off, the brake calipers off, the steering lug or the steering knuckle apart, and then the ball joints, and then press. I mean, so I have to be in this noisy spot because I have this great big bridge over top of me that keeps me out of the sun. So anyways, that's why I'm in this top, because I need as much airflow as I can get because I'm going to be sweating and whatever. But yeah, on with the quickiness. Like clockwork. I'm here to show you what I'm up to. This is the thing that I'm doing, and this is part of the adventure. I could just pay someone to do this work. Well, If I was made of money, I could pay someone to do this work. But I bought this van knowing that this was something I could do. I'm being bold and I'm making a decision that is right for me. If I wait until the fall, I won't feel well and the weather will get bad and then I won't go. Getting the van this moment was not, but I saw an opportunity and I jumped on it. So anyways, that's what's going on. Right now the project is a little stalled because I realize I don't, in my regular kit, have this wrench. We'll find one. I don't think I can. Nope. I need another wrench. Shit. I'm sick of driving. I gotta go back to the house and get maybe a pipe wrench. I'll be able to get it with a pipe wrench. Damn it. How was I supposed to think of that? You know? And I don't have a box wrench that big. Okay. So, socket won't work. I couldn't find an adjustable wrench, but a pipe wrench. Yeah, that's gonna fit. That'll fit. That's gonna work. That's gonna work. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. That's like 3 trips to the house to get to here. That fits over there, so we don't have to push too hard. Give it one more dose of this stuff. Give it a little push. It comes right off. Right off. Like it was just like, nope, okay, I give up. Gave right up. Gave it to go. Gave it to go. So it was like, okay, I give up. I give up. I surrender. The next thing I have to do, swap over to the other side. So we'll move you to the other side a little bit. And I gotta take this I'm told, take this off, I'm told that the top ball joint just slides, and then we can smack the bottom one till it falls out. It's important to make sure the inside, the mechanicals, those things are functional and working in a safe and not trauma-driven manner. And so, we're there. I've been working on the van for weeks, and it's really starting to come together. But her presentation doesn't show it. She needs a little work, you know, a makeover, as it were. She needs new shoes, you know. You can't be running around in these old. That's a nice one. There's one on the other side that's just solid rust. Because those wheels they'd get us there, you know. Chrome don't get you home was what I was taught, but honey, I mean, we're famous now. We can't be riding around looking like an old dumpster.